Shastri, and today I'm going to be showing you how to configure your TP-Link AC750 dual band router to your broadband. It's pretty simple, no struggles at all. So to start off with, we go to our computer and then we go to the Wi-Fi thing. But how do you get to know which is your Wi-Fi's SSID, your router's SSID? So at the back side of your router, there will be a small sticker in which there is a tag called SSID. So that one we are going to look at it. So ours is TP-Link 4F4A, that is 2G. I am connecting to the 5G. Now how to find out your Wi-Fi router's password? That's also pretty simple. You go to your router's backside, there's a tag, and then as you can see, there's a segment called wireless password pin and 74934324. So we're going to type that in over here. And then once we click on next, it's gonna connect to our router, as you can see. So once we are connected to our router, 5G or 2G, that's not a problem. We're going to enter our router's default IP address, that is 192.168.1.1. Now how to get the password for that? It will be written at the backside, username admin, password admin. Just type that in. Username admin will already be there, I guess. You'll just need to type the password. So after that, I'll just give you a small recap of this. So the help pane is the pane in which the configuring pane, whatever comes, it's like a guide, and then the configuring pane is the outcome of whatever you select in the options pane. It's that simple. But as soon as you log into the 192.168.1.1, your router's default IP address, once you log into that web page, it's going to directly redirect you to the quick setup thing. Over there, your first thing, you're going to choose auto detect for your WAN connection type. But make sure in Russia, Ukraine and countries, etc. like that, you'll need to gather it from your ISP, internet service provider. So after you click on next, it's going to take a few minutes, and then it has detected. You don't need to Mac clone. And then if you don't want 5G band or something like that, then untick that. I have ticked both and I click next. And here we are going to enter the desired SSID name. That is your the SSID which comes when you search the Wi-Fi. That is called your SSID. So next we are going to select our country. I am from India, so I am selecting India. And then you can set your wireless password, or you can disable wireless security. You have to check one of the radio buttons. So I'm going to set my password as 12345678990, and then I'm going to click on next. So I'll be doing the same for the 5G. I just click here. So after you verify everything, click on next, and it'll take you to the last stage of the quick setup, and then everything will come as success. But Wi-Fi configuring might take some time. And once that comes as success, your internet will immediately be restarting. So I clicked on finish now, and it says no internet connection. And then after some time, I again connected back, and it comes. So after that, I search YouTube, and as you can see, our internet is working. It's pretty cool. Now I'm going to search on YouTube Mystery of the Stolen Formula. That's the latest video I'm directing for my partner, my other channel. Me and one more guy own it. It's called Comic Fiction. So please do check them out, and please like them and subscribe and whatever. So
our new policy. Didn't understand a part of the video? Never mind. Just check it out again. Yeah. Have any doubts? Just comment below in the comment section. You did the project successfully? Then please like and subscribe to our video, because that helps us a lot.